Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reduce your PST file size in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. This ensures all your emails and data are properly loaded before you begin the process of reducing your PST file size. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see a File tab there. Go ahead and click on it to access the File menu. This is where you'll find all the important account and data management options. After clicking File, the menu will expand and you'll notice several options appear on the right side of your screen. Look for the option labeled Account Settings and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with additional choices. From this list, click on Account Settings again to open the full settings window. Now, an Account Settings window will appear on your screen. At the top of this window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Data Files tab to proceed. This tab is crucial because it displays a complete list of all the accounts and PST files that are currently associated with your Microsoft Outlook application. PST files can grow quite large over time as they store all your emails, attachments, and other data, which is why reducing their size helps improve Outlook's performance. From the list of PST files displayed, identify the specific file you want to reduce in size. Once you've found it, double-click on that PST file. This action will open a small options window specifically for that file. In this options window, you'll see a button labeled Compact Now. Click on this button to begin the compacting process. Compacting removes wasted space and consolidates the data in your PST file, effectively reducing its overall size without deleting any of your emails or important information. Depending on how large your PST file is, this process may take a few moments, so be patient while Outlook works through the compression. And that's it. You've successfully reduced your PST file size in Microsoft Outlook, which should help improve the application's performance and free up storage space on your computer. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.